Okay? Pakinggan po natin ang ating patriarch from Cartacho. Ganun yung mga patriarka.
Diligent exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, First Kings, Second Kings, First Chronicles, Second Chronicles, Nehemiah, Isaiah, Nehemiah, Leviticus, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Acts, Paraya, Tuna, Micah, Nahum, Sipanaya, kay Sekala, Malaka, at Mark, yan, Acts, Second Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, Second Thessalonians, First Timothy, Titus, Philemon, First Timothy, Peter, First Second